Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Hide and Seek. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used two Death Troopers and Chopper from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. To start my setup, I placed Chopper front and center and used various small props to build out his hiding place around him. Next, I used some sand on my ground surface to cover up these figure stands, allowing me to pose my troopers. With the figures in place, I used a pair of cinder blocks to build the walls of the tunnel. I placed a baking sheet in the background and then used this great piece of cardboard I got in a meal prep box. Placing my light far above the cardboard gave me this nice spotlight effect underneath. I took a pretty long exposure, so my starting image here was already reasonably well lit. I started my edit as usual, adding adjustment layers and a vignette to enhance my image. After that I used the pen tool and the brush tool to create a glowing eye effect on my troopers. To make Chopper stand out a bit more, I did some dodging on him, really brightening up his midtones. After looking at my figures again, I realized that I had messed up the lens shape of the troopers' visors, so I redrew those real quick. So once again, here's the starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.